Marlang. Marlang is all about friendship and samahan, di ba?
Friendship
so,
yun.
doon lang kami nag-base sa concept na yon, and then doon po namin binuo yung pyesa or yun umiikot yung story ng pyesa namin.
Gusto naming ipakita yung samahan sa Yupang na kahit magdaan man yung bagyo, ganyan, sasamahan talaga ng Yupang ang mga tayong students.
Hindi namin siya tinitingnan as competition. Tinitingnan namin ito as an activity to enjoy everything as a senior high student. At we wish everyone a good luck and sana po ay lahat galingan. And thank you very much.